Hello. Railing design, Hochstetler, heavy timbers. 3.5, 2.5, 3.5. 2x6 on top. 6x6 post. I did some milling on. And I don't know, I like the way it looks. Future stairs after the soil softens up and we can do some digging. Around May, March. Yeah. Log siding, 2-foot overhangs, garage here, sunroom there. Second story, solid log. 3-foot overhang here into a 2-foot overhang, and then that 4-foot overhang with extra rafters. That'll look good when they get the stone on this chimney by others, not my game. Some heavy timbers up there, 6x10s, 8x8s, 6x6s, porch, 6x6 rafters. 2x tongue and groove, so roofing can be nailed right to it. No insulation here, of course. Back to the railings, which I really like. Yeah, as you can tell. Not just because I built them. Some Y braces on the posts. Another staircase here. A good 6-foot wide, as this is the front door. Sorry if I'm moving the camera too fast. It gets dizzying. And these posts are a pretty neat mounting system. Don't have to cut a hole in the deck and bolt it to it. They got a screw down stainless steel plate. You router the bottom, screw the plate there, and then there's another plate you screw down on the ground and you wrench it on. Be another stairs over here. Here's the way the log passes are cut at the mill. Saddle notch. I'm thinking they're doing some pretty good work there at Hochstetler. We got wall sconces all over. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this room. This porch alone. I think there's 15 of them on the whole house. You've got a lot of lighting, which will look great once it's done. Nice secluded lot. There's a little bit of mountainside up there. You get a view probably in autumn when the colors are good. Nice 12-foot wide deck. It's like 56 foot long. It's quite a bit of deck. Altogether 1,500 square foot of deck and porch combined. All right. This is the stone they'll be putting on the chimney in the springtime by others. Light block, 9x9 garage door, light block, light block. Something to scare the people away. Another Swedish or saddle notch log corners that go up for 2 stories. That's solid log up there. Not typical framing and log siding, but solid log, so I thought that was a step up. the wider trim, cedar, that this company uses. Here again, 2-foot overhang. There's 7 inches of foam up there on top of that tongue and groove for insulation. Double layer. I don't know if they are 42 or what. And then this dormer has 6x10 rafters in the house that run out. That's all cathedral. Okay. Take a look inside. It's a 8x15 ridge. A couple 100 pounds there. 6x10 floor joist on the first floor. With 2-inch tongue and groove. That works as their ceiling. Come on, camera, what kind of focus is that? Oh my goodness. Looks like my camera's, there we go. Master bathroom. There's a jacuzzi here and I don't know, toilet, sink, you know, typical. Master bedroom, walk-in closet. Main entry off the garage, got laundry area, closet. Gonna put a folding table there. This is just a half bath. Stairs to go downstairs. Heavy timber stairs to go upstairs. I got some plywood on there to protect them during construction. 8x8 post. Inside hidden hangers. And 6x10 floor joist, first floor. And it's wide open here, up into the loft. Which will be, there's 2 bedrooms up there and the 1 bathroom. It's a 2.5 bathroom house, 2,200 square foot. This will all be stonework too, this chimney. Just gonna put a firebox in there. This is actually the kitchen right here. So you got your kitchen into your great room. You know, the whole open concept that works with just about every home today. It's all you hear on remodeling TV. Sunroom, 8x8 rafters. Big square boxes. An 8x8 beam across, holding them up. 8x8 post. This one's a 6x8 post. There's an 8x8 that I cut into the logs. Get rid of the rounds, hide it, seal it off. That window is missing. I think it got broke. So one's coming. The builder's gonna put that in for us. Garage has got typical 4x412 2x4 trusses. 34x24 garage. And your garage entry door. Insulation for the ceiling of the garage, actually. It's up there, the insulation's already in. Okay. Modified snow mass offered by Hochstetler Milling out of Loudonville, Ohio. Look them up online if you like what you see.